Hi guys, this is Bhavna Kumar. Welcome to my channel. So this is my first video of this channel, or you can say the first video of this series, that is the Mandala series. So in this series I'll be talking about on how to draw a mandala, how to come up with different designs for your mandala and other tips. So don't forget to tune into my channel. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Mandala. So what is mandala, or also known as mandal in Sanskrit? Mandala. Mandala is a circular figure representing the universe, that is the Hindu and the Buddhist symbolism. The Sanskrit meaning of mandala means a circle or a center point. Mandala has been used by the Hindu and Buddhists for prayer, meditation and healing. In the same way, we too can use mandala to relax and free our minds. One of the most easiest way of relaxing our minds is by just coloring the mandala. To be more precise, we can use mandala for healing and positive state of being. So circle is the most natural shape known to man. So every design you draw will go around the circle. Yeah, so this is mandala. You don't need to be an artist to draw mandala. Anyone can draw mandala because it's all about basic shapes, lines and outlines. So don't forget to tune in to the series, that is the Mandala series.